Did you know that there's a wonderful escape from Tucson heat in the summertime? It's also so close that you can still see Tucson in the distance. Summerhaven is much cooler and greener than the desert below. What is there to do around Summerhaven? And what amenities does Summerhaven have? In this video, we're going to discuss 10 things you need to know about Summerhaven, Arizona. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today we are talking about Summerhaven. But first, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and all the other buttons to follow along with Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. And when you're ready to buy or sell a Tucson home, you know where to find me. All my contact information is in the description below each video on the channel, and please check out other videos on this channel after this one. We have over 100 videos out about Tucson and real estate on this channel. Summerhaven is known by most local Tucsonans and it lives up to its name. It's a haven from the summer months in the Sonoran Desert when Tucson gets well over 100 degrees for weeks on end. The average temperature on top of the Catalina Mountains is about 20 degrees cooler than the desert below. Just a quick 45-minute drive takes you from the base of the Catalinas into a pine forest and eventually to the town of Summerhaven. The first thing you need to know about Summerhaven is that it is full of pedestrians. This is a small town, it's walkable. Most people spending the day here choose to walk to check out the town. The town features a community center and a few small shops. There is a small little shop off the main road behind the community center that sells local items. The Sky Island Trading Company dubbed the smallest shop in the Southwest. As you walk down the main strip, the cooler air is quite refreshing and makes you feel grateful you have a place so close to Tucson to cool down for a day or two during the long summer months. Number 2, if you like arts and crafts, it seems like just about every summer weekend there's a craft fair where you can find all sorts of trinkets and gadgets and candles and even custom knives. There are also some fun food trucks to visit as well. Number 3, Summerhaven is growing, if not in population, but in amenities. There are a bunch of small cabins that are being built up here for people to stay in, all part of the Mount Lemon Hotel. These cute little cabins always seem to be booked. There's a larger project that we will see later in this video. The main street has shaded pathways and a nice lush greenery for a leisurely stroll. As you walk deeper into the town, you can see the construction of the Mount Lemon Lodge. This lodge will offer 16 rooms along with a gift shop, spa, and of all things, a Beyond Bread restaurant. Number 4, everyone's favorite place to stop for a sweet treat is the Cookie Cabin. It's a really cool log cabin that is always busy. You can always tell it's a good place for food when a restaurant has a long line. Come enjoy a huge cookie with a generous heap of ice cream or a brownie, big enough for a family to enjoy. They sell pizza there also. Right next to the Cookie Cabin is the Living Rainbow Gift Shop. Lots of cool gifts for trinket collectors found here. Number 5, there is a general store located in the center of town. If you forgot something like a toothbrush, water, snacks, they'll have it here, along with fun souvenir selections with some pretty neat things for sale. Number 6, there's a secret passageway hidden in Summerhaven. Try to find it if you can. It's almost a magical mystery to be surrounded by greenery, completely cut off from the world just 10 feet away. Good luck finding it. Don't forget to finish your day with a dinner at the Sawmill Run restaurant. We really like their generous portion sizes. Number 7, come to enjoy the nature. Running water is scarce in Tucson, but you can find great stream views all through town and up into Marshall Gulch, a popular picnic and hiking area. This is one of the greenest hikes and areas around Tucson, so make sure not to miss this spot just down the road from the town. Number 8, there are lots of little trips you can take while staying in Summerhaven. One of the favorites is Windy Point. Here you can walk around and see really neat hoodoos and rock formations. Make sure to watch your step and where you're going. This is also one of the best places in Tucson to take in one of those famous sunsets that we are known for. Number 9, there are a lot of cabins up here. There are many cabins on leased forest land up here that have been owned by generations of Tucsonans. If you can't find a hotel, there may be a Verbo cabin to rent for a weekend. Here you can take in some solitude and peaceful mountain walks in a nice lush environment with some great sunsets all around, not just at Windy Point. Number 10, one of my favorite things about Summerhaven, just before you enter Summerhaven, you will come upon the continental USA's southernmost ski destination, Ski Valley. But this place doesn't close down in the summer. There's a fun gift shop and snack shop here, as well as cool equipment to take pictures at when you are not being photobombed. The Ski Valley Sky Ride is really fun and relaxing. You get some amazing views going up and coming down, not to mention views at the summit of Mount Lemmon. Don't forget to stop at the Iron Door restaurant as well. This is a great place to eat and even get some wonderful views from the parking lot. I hope you've learned a little bit about Summerhaven, Arizona. This place is one of the best spots to visit if you live in Tucson full-time or if you're just visiting. If you're ready to buy or sell a home here in Tucson, Arizona, please give me a call. I'd love to help you out. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel. There are tons of other videos on the channel about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. Comment below with your favorite thing to do in Summerhaven, and don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out the door. I appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next Tucson video.